Morning, everybody. Today is Monday morning. I don't even know what date, but anyhow, we've been very busy here. It's actually not too many, but about 65 hours a weekend. And I have no time to work on this truck. Had none. Didn't even have time to make you a video and talk to you. So found a little bit of time this morning before I get in the office and start typing everything up for quotes, that I'm just going to do a video for you guys so everybody's on the same page of what's going on. So I threw them rear ends that we were working on in the last video back in the weeds. I'm done with them. Change your plans. So now I have a friend, Randy Brown. Some of you guys may know him. He's Senator of the state of Pennsylvania, basically. He has a whole cutoff back, so I got the rear ends, the air tanks, everything. He's selling me for a really good deal. And remember that on the air leaf suspension part where all that cast was all broken, I needed them parts. I had to weld them up, and they were like $2,200 from Hunters. It has all that, and the bolt holes will line up with the frame rails that we already drilled a couple videos ago. So I'm pretty sure, and don't hold me to this, I don't know every truck out there yet, but I'm pretty sure the Peterbilt and Kenworth frame rails are totally different. I don't think I can cut them straight down and butt it up to it and weld it in. I'm pretty sure I got to split the frame rails off these, just take the rear ends, the suspension system, and bolt it to these guys. That would be way too easy if I can just roll these things up behind that truck and just weld it. I'm pretty sure that won't work that way. I think Peterbilt and Kenworth have either the cross members are maybe narrower, not sure, maybe narrower or wider, but we'll have to see when I get it. We are leaving here Friday morning, I believe, to go out to go get them. And while I'm out there, we're going to hit Macungie on Saturday. So I think a lot of you guys that follow me either know about Macungie or are going to be at Macungie. It's a big deal. I've always kind of wanted to take the Mac, but every time we get ready to go, I buy something else and usually take the trailer to haul something else home. So Mac is just going to stay here. Macungie's about a 3.5 hour drive for me here. Probably take about 5 hours in that truck, so I probably would haul it someday. Maybe I'd drive it if I was really bored, but I don't think I don't need to really take it there. You guys can see it on YouTube. It's cool. So that's what's going on this weekend. I'm gonna be going out, getting the whole cutoff back. We're gonna bring it home, and that's how I can have a lot more fun again. I'm gonna start tearing into them things, and I want this truck stretched to where it's gonna be. I'm tired of looking at it like that. I'm tired of not being able to work on it. I work my tail off in this place, and I have nothing to work on, just to kind of wind down and have fun. So I can't wait till I get them in so I can do that. I also, what else is there? I think it's gonna be about it for this. That's kind of like the only updates I want to let you know. Is I was gonna be at Macungie on Saturday. I don't know an exact time and stuff, but I'll be there walking around. It's a cool place. I've been there 3 or 4 times now. You see a lot of the same trucks, some different ones, but that is the first place that let me know to leave that truck the way it was. If you go to Macungie and you look at it, about 75 to 85% of them trucks are fully restored, which is great. That's how it should be done. But you don't really see an old truck like this just get done working, never touched in its life, and just pull in. Fully equipped. There's some trucks there that are on a trailer or a project truck or hauled in with a blown motor that look that way. But I mean, a fully running, pull it in off the road that's been, worked its entire life for 61 years. That's why I left that truck like that. If you polish it up and look brand new and make it all sparkly pretty like all of them, you fit in. And you spend a lot of money just to fit in. So I left that one the way it was. I don't think you can replace old history like that. I mean, it was worked its tail off for, he said, 61 years. And you go and paint it up and paint it right over it, it just looks like a new truck. So the Kenworth, I'm definitely doing that too. I really don't care. It's a 1976. So I don't care to paint it and play with it and all that. It's at that point where it's not old enough to be worth anything, and it's not new enough to be super expensive. So I just kind of started ripping into that truck, and it's just going to be whatever I want. I don't really care. So that's it. I hope all you guys have been doing good. I apologize again for not keeping you guys up with videos and stuff. I just, as everything, life gets ahead of you. But hopefully by next week we're gonna be unloading them rear ends and playing with this truck again. I need to find some more time to get on it. So thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a great week. It's gonna be nice here. It's gonna be like 73, 74 for the entire week, which is beautiful. I'll take it. I love it. So thanks for watching. See you next time. So this morning I introduced you to what's going on this weekend. I had about, I don't know, 25-30 minutes to kill today. So I decided, since the big truck was already out when I was welding with it, that I'd use the air compressor and maybe blow out the interior to get all that soda out of there from when the guy soda blasted a couple months ago now. I learned something. Wait after you're done soda blasting. You should probably blow it out, because the moisture and the rain and the humidity and all that just makes that stuff clump up and stick. A lot of it blew out. However, a lot of it is also still there, like around the gauges, all your switches. So that's gonna kind of be a pain in the butt. Probably have to maybe get some water and like a brush or something to kind of scrub it off. But if I would have did it the same day he did that, it would have been clean and brand new looking. But I didn't. I waited. I don't know why. I just figured it would come right off. So I'm gonna go back up there with the GoPro this time. I forgot it at the house. I took it back after I was done making a video, and I'm gonna just record me blowing everything out. I got most of it done, but there is still some left. But anyhow, I just want you guys to know, like, if you guys soda blast, get rid of that stuff instantly. Don't wait like I did. It'll clump up and it'll stick. It's a pain. It's a good play. So I'll show you what I mean by this. I got most of it all cleaned out, but you can see all this, wherever it comes right off, but it won't blow up. It's all stuck here. So it's way better than what it looked like. But around your gauges, your switches, it's just stuck there. So blow it off ahead of time. It's a lot easier that way, I promise. Here we go. We're gonna do the motor now. You see it's still all inside here, all around here. So pretty clean now. I got to go through all these, and these gauges are just all screwed up. So we'll wipe them off, and it's a mess. A lot better, but still a mess. Don't wait like I did. Get that crap out of there. Geez, they're done for the day. Anyhow, I just went over this real quick. Well, not real quick, it was more like 45 minutes. I use Simple Green and a microfiber rag, and took that stuff off pretty good. So I'm pretty pleased with it. Like I said, this is This is gonna get dirty again. I'm far away from being completed, but it looks a hell of a lot better. And it gave me something to do for a little bit, but you can see, took everything off pretty good. Gauges are clean again. So, I think it's pretty clean. But if I can recommend something, it would be do not wait like I did. That was a pain in the butt. Now, pretty sure my radio's drunk, because you can see all that beautiful soda stuck inside that display screen. So it'll probably still work. But that's gonna piss me off. That was brand new. But in the end, the dash is clean, the doors are clean. So I don't know what I'm really tackling next before the weekend. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna kind of be done with it. I really don't want to be. I'll have fun doing this. But I think that's gonna be it. Until I get them frame rails. Well, to get the rear ends. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Blow that soda off. Don't do what I did. It was not worth that.